Today I've been working on some wheel cribs to get the Dodge Demon up off the ground so I can get underneath there and clean underneath the chassis and everything. But this is what I've been working on. If you could do 4 layers, get you about 11.5 inches up in the air. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing. This is all it takes. I've got a drill, about an 1/8 inch drill in there, and an impact, 1/4 inch impact here to drive the screws in. I'm using number 9s, 2.5 inches long, to make sure they're 1.5 inches, so that way we get down into there deep to hold them good. So I'm going to go ahead and start assembling these and show you what I've done. It's 4 boards per layer. 2 of them will be 16 inches. And 2 of them are 12 inches. And that's what you end up with. And you can go higher if you want. It all depends on how high you want to go up with yours. On your first layer, I'm using the 16s across. The first layer is the one you want to get square to start out with, and then the rest will follow from there. I just go ahead and drill a couple holes. Keep pressure down on it so it don't move on you. Just sink them below so they're not up, so it doesn't start teetering on you. And using these number 9 screws, it's going to take you about 3 boxes, 3 1-pound boxes. And they are about $8.50 a piece, so it is kind of costly. What I do, first layer I'll go across this way, the next layer I'll go across this way. 2 screws is plenty for a 2x4. And with the 2 screws, it makes it so you're not going to run into the one below. I always try to keep the pattern the same. That's the first layer. The second layer, get up there with your fingers, and that'll be plenty good. Just make sure you go opposite with your screws. Okay, last one. And do pre-drill them. They will crack. I tried it. And then, if you want more support in the center on the top layer, just add another board across. And that would give you plenty. Somewhere where your tire to sit if you got thin tires. That's what you end up with. You can see, what is it, 10 3/4 there. And your 12 out to the outer board, but your tires are going to sit naturally in here. All depends on how deep you want them to be. That's it.